Welcome. In front of me is an iPad from 2021, and today I will show you how to restore your device from a backup. So to get started, let me just kind of unplug it and give you a more adequate scenario. So most likely the chances are you probably never plugged in your device to your computer, because nowadays there is not really much incentive to do so, but to restore it or to back it up, you will need to do so. Although maybe to restore it, I'm not exactly sure. You could be able to back up through the device itself. So anyway, so you can use either Windows or Mac. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. And you'll need a cable for that. As you can see, I have one right over here. And if you're using Windows, you will need to download iTunes. And if you're using Mac, you don't actually need to do anything extra. There you go. So I plugged it in. Now on Windows side, once you launch iTunes, it will show up right over here. You can simply click on it and this will give you all the information. Now if you're using a Mac, you will need to open your Finder, so that is basically like the Explorer on Windows, and from there you will see your iPad somewhere in the list of different directories, as you can see, kind of like this one right over here. Now once you click on it, you will see right here basically exactly what I see in iTunes. And from here all you really need to do is select Restore Backup. And this will give you this drop-down menu of different restores that you have available. So simply choose the one that you want. For me, I'm gonna find the newest one, assuming I can. Quickly check what is it today. So we have September 30th. That's interesting. I don't really see the backup that I literally created not too long ago, unless it's just not really showing up the date on it, which is kind of annoying because I have no clue which one it is in this case. So let's see. Now I'm just gonna select whichever one, it doesn't really matter. So from here, I'm gonna select Restore, use new backup, more recent backup. Oh, actually, there we go. It gives me a more recent one, so use newer backup. That's what I'm gonna select, and as you can see, it is now in progress. So just give it a minute or so. I'm not exactly sure how long it's gonna take to restore it. I guess that will probably depend on how much data you're restoring to it. So if you had like basically device full of apps, then it might take you a while, but for me, hopefully it's not going to be that long. So let's give it a second. Now it is rebooting. Well, as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.